So this is my new 2011 Ford Police Interceptor Crown Victoria. Now, why do I bring that up? Well, because this was active patrol car for most of its life, and it doesn't have the convenience of cup holders. So it has this little section here, maybe a cup holder thing fit in there, but I wouldn't want to put cups in there because it's got fuses and stuff, and that little door, I don't know. This was a K9 unit. As you can see, the little door and the cage in the back. I need cup holders because now I'm a civilian and I want a driver. So I went up and picked up one of these. This is like a folding type cup holder that squeezes in between the seats. This could be used in either passenger or driver's seat. And it has enough space to snugly fit a soda can. It has a little resistance coming up. It's pretty deep. I point the thing like this so that it doesn't splash me. I have enough room on my side. It has this convenient little pocket here, which if you carry a wallet in your back pocket, you might want to put this there for longer drives to get relief from the wallet out of your pants. And you could also have, if you got two cell phone devices or your passengers got a device, you know, right there, the cell phone could go in there. Cell phone could lie in there like that. And it also has a little access hole so that you could put your USB cable through here and charge your cell phone. So you could run your cables to hide them from here, come from the front, tuck it down. However it fits for your application, it's very versatile. So it has a little cushion here. It's a little narrow to slide in between, and then it pops up here and gives you that squeeze, snug, secure fit. A quality piece. I mean, it's got a good feel, and you're ready to go, just like that. You don't want it, move it, give it to the passenger. But when you need it, it's ready to go right there. You could adjust it far back. You could have it more forward, and that's snug. You put it right there. And if you have two on each side, you could possibly put stuff in the middle, and this will block it for you. This is a great little buy. Glad I got it. It fits my emergency need and maybe a permanent solution, because I don't think I'm going to change all this anytime soon. If you got a car where you just need temporary or permanent drink holder and storage capability, then this is it.